One man's junk is another man's treasure. I'm Curt Arens for Nebraska Farmer and Farm Progress, and that's our feature on this episode of Farmstead Forest. We'll talk about how some farm junk works for upcycling to make a better landscape around your place. Farming in the 1930s was really tough for my grandparents, raising a big family out here on our farm. So they became very frugal. And my grandmother had an extremely green thumb. I mean, she loved planting flowers and trees and shrubs all around our place, and many of those plants are still living today. She also enjoyed pulling things out of the barn that weren't being used anymore, like a milk basin off of an old cream separator or Grandpa's 2-row horse-drawn planter as sort of centerpieces, adding interest to the landscape around the farm, but also as a place to plant flowers. That was kind of her big thing. My wife and I have kind of carried that maybe to the extreme these days, adding things like Grandpa's old horse-drawn manure spreader behind us to hold up some flower pots at the entrance of our driveway, old egg baskets as flower pots, and pretty much anything out of the barn that doesn't cost us anything that we already own, just to add interest and a place to plant flowers and shrubs around the farmstead. Here are some examples. A wash tub and old kids' wagons as flower pots. A cream can as a flower ornament. Old clay tiles used as flower pots. An old corn crib ring used as the top of an arbor. A potbelly stove used as a flower bed ornament. And an old egg basket as a flower pot. An old tricycle as a flower bed ornament. Well, that's it for this episode of Farmstead Forest. For all the latest farm news, be sure to check out NebraskaFarmer.com and FarmProgress.com. Don't miss Husker Harvest Days coming up September 15th through the 17th in Grand Island, Nebraska. And until next time, hope all is well in your neck of the woods.